A short river trip is one of the best ways to explore the country's natural and the cultural heritage in the Kathmandu Valley. An adventure spot popular in Europe and USA. Rafting is available in the Kathmandu Valley now. Yes, this is Sundarijal, which is situated 15 kilometer northeast of Kathmandu city. Sundarijal means beautiful water in English, and the area is known for its natural waterfalls. Show what an amazing natural place this is. So, when is a good time to go rafting for your children, family, and friends on the Sundarijal? Yes, you should go rafting for your children, family, and friends on the Sundarijal during the monsoon seasons, wet seasons, or rainy season. Please remember Adventure ABS Nepal because we offer rafting for your children, family, and friends on the Sundarijal during the monsoon season, wet season, or rainy season. Departure every day, time 11 a.m., 1 p.m., and 3 p.m. Meeting point and rafting location Gokarna. Starting point for rafting Gokarneshwar Temple. In point for rafting Uttar Bahini Kanti Bhairav Temple. Duration approximately 1 hour. For more information, do visit our website www.adventureabsnepal.com. Good for nature, good for children, family, and friends.